Hey guys, Darren here. Gonna go out for a walk and test out the Chinese-made second-hand camera, film camera I've got. It's a Hua 822. I actually don't even know if it works really well. The shop said it does work, so I'm hoping. I've got a roll of Kodak Gold 200 in it, and yeah, this is what it came. I paid like 80 RMB for it, so $8 I think, more or less. It's 40mm f2 lens. You can't change the lens, and there are some issues that I might encounter today. A few of them being that the narrowest aperture that it has is f16, and the quickest shutter speed it has is 300th of a second. So with it being midday at like 40 degrees here in Hangzhou today, middle of summer, I might have too much light. So I'm going to try to see if I can get shots maybe with some shadows and stuff to get some of the contrast, because otherwise I'm going to way overexpose. But yeah, this is my first foray into film photography, so I'm just hopeful that I can get some decent shots. I've taken about 14 shots already, just in the DD to and from work and just around home, just some things to remember. So yeah, I'm going to walk around here in Zhenjiang New District, or Zhenjiang, not really district, Zhenjiang area. There's the Golden Ball and it's on the river, so hopefully I'll get some decent shots and then I'll share them with you guys. So yeah, I've got the Hua 822, and then I've also got my Sony a6500 with the Tamron 28-200 lens as well, so I'll be taking some shots with this. But yeah, let's go check it out. One thing I forgot to add is this camera doesn't have any exposure help at all, so getting autofocus help. So what I'm going to be trying to do is I have an app on my phone, the Lightmate app, which will help me set exposure, and then hopefully I'll be able to get decent focus just by guesstimating. It's got the focus range here, meters or feet, so hopefully I can be using it. Also wanted to say that I'll be using my GoPro Hero 9 to film this on my chest mount, so hoping it comes out nice. So yeah, we're going for the walk now.
Right.